My dear friend, today in this video we are taking the lecture on concept of power. Concept of power. What is power? Power, all types of power is denoted by P and its unit is watt. There are three types of power: AC power, DC power and mechanical power. So first I discuss here what is AC power. AC power for single phase, it is VPH IPH cos phi. Phase voltage into phase current and cos phi watt. For single phase, P is equal to VPH IPH cos phi watt, where VPH and IPH is the RMS value of voltage and current. V and P, V and I is the RMS value of voltage and current, and cos phi is the power factor of the circuit. Phi is the phase angle between voltage and current. Once again, for single phase power, the formula is P equal to V I cos phi, where V and I is the RMS value of phase voltage and phase current, and cos phi is the power factor, and phi is the phase angle between the voltage and current. So this is for single phase. For three phase, power equal to 3 VPH IPH cos phi. For three phase, we multiply by 3 VPH IPH cos phi, where VPH IPH is the phase voltage and phase current. So just we multiply by 3, it becomes the power for the three phase. Now in the three phase, we know that there are two types of connection: delta connection and star connection. So both for delta and star connection, the power is √3 VL cos phi watt. Power is √3 VL cos phi watt, where VL and IL is the line voltage and line current. Where VL and IL is the line voltage and line current, it is also in watt. So all these types of AC power is denoted in watt. First is single phase, VPH IPH cos phi. Then there is three phase, 3 VPH IPH cos phi. Now for star connection and delta connection, both types of connection, the formula of power is √3 VL cos phi, where VL IL is the line voltage and line current. So this is about the AC power. Now the second is DC power. What is DC power? It is the product of voltage and current. It is called DC power. Product of voltage and current is called DC power, and formula P equal to VI watt. There are three kinds of formula for DC power. First is P equal to VI watt. Second is P equal to I square R watt. And third is P equal to V square by R watt. I square R watt. Then third is P equal to V square by R watt. Just there are three types of formula for DC power. V into I watt. Now I convert V into IR, so it is I square R watt. Second is P equal to I square R watt. And third is P equal to V square by R watt. So mostly the three types of DC power formula we use for calculation. What is 1 watt? The concept of 1 watt. When the voltage is 1 volt and current is of 1 ampere, the power is called to be 1 watt. For 1 volt voltage and 1 ampere of the current, the product will be power as 1 watt. 1 watt equal to 1 volt into 1 ampere. Now their third power is mechanical power. Mechanical power, the unit is also watt, but it is defined as the rate of doing work, which is called power. The rate of doing work is called power, its unit is also watt. Now, formula for power is equal to work done per second, that is 1 joule per second. Joule per unit of work done, so 1 joule per second is called 1 watt. Mechanical power, work done per second is 1 joule per second equal to 1 watt. This is mechanical power. Now work done is equal to force into distance. F, force is denoted by F, distance denoted by D. So F into D, Newton meter. Newton is the unit of force, meter is the unit of distance. So F into D, Newton meter equal to F into D, joules. F into D, joules. Newton meter is joules. Its giga unit. Giga unit of the mechanical power is HP, horsepower. And 1 HP equal to 746 watt. 1 HP equal to 746 watt. Now in power generating a station, some giga units are used. In power generating a station, giga units are used. That units are kilowatt, megawatt and gigawatt. Megawatt, kilowatt and gigawatt is the giga unit of power which is used in the power station. Now 1 kilowatt is equal to 10 power 3 watt, 1 megawatt is equal to 10 power 6 watt and 1 gigawatt is equal to 10 to the power 9 watt. So these are the concept of watt. What is watt? It is very common unit of the power. So all powers, the description of formula and descriptions are different for AC power, for DC power, for mechanical power. But finally the basic unit of all the power is watt. And 1 watt can be defined as the product of 1 volt and 1 ampere. 1 volt and 1 ampere, it is called 1 watt. So this is about the concept of watt. Thank you very much.